In this tutorial, we will now begin to start editing your course page. In the first week of the course, to edit the summary, click on the hand with the pencil. This will take you to the summary of this week page, which is starting on the 9th of January and finishing on the 15th of January. However, I would like to make a summary for students to read, and I might type something like Introduction to Course. Save changes, and here's now my heading Introduction to Course. Now I might like to change how the Introduction to Course heading looks. I might again click on the hand with the pen, highlight, change the font size to 5 and also make it bold. There are some other features here which we will continue to look at later. Now I can save changes, and here's my title, Introduction to Courses. Now I would like to add some resources. So here I can go to Add a Resource. Click on Add a Resource, and there are options: File, Folder, IMS Content Package, Label, Page, and URL. I'd like to write some more information, so I'm going to make a label. I click on Label, This is a course for students who are using this site for the first time. I'm going to highlight my text, and I want to make it a little larger, and I can save and return to course. Now I have my original weekly heading, Introduction to Course, and now in my label I have this is a course for students who are using the site for the first time. Now if I go over to the right hand side, the other option box gives you a selection of activities. For example, let's imagine that I want to add a quiz to my first week course. Click on Quiz, and I now open to the Adding a New Quiz. I'm going to call my quiz Introduction Quiz, and the introduction to this quiz This is a quiz for students. At this stage, I'm not going to change any of the other standard settings. I'm going to scroll down to the very bottom, and I'm going to click Save and Return to Course. Now, if you look at my weekly page, I have included a heading, I've added a resource, a label, to provide some information, and I've gone to add an activity, and I've chosen to add a quiz to my first week page.